Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger not sending messages problem. If you're facing this issue, then first thing, just check your internet, because sometimes due to slow Wi-Fi or slow internet it causes this problem. So check that, and if your internet is not slow and you're still facing this issue, then the only thing you can do is check for update. Sometimes due to lack of update as well it causes this problem. So go to your app store and then just search for Messenger and see if there's any update. So mine says open, that means my Messenger is up to date. But if it shows you update instead of open, that is the problem. Update your Messenger and it should fix your issue. If it's still not fixed, the next thing you can do is check if Messenger servers are offline or not, because Messenger from time to time goes into like server maintenance break, so your Messenger does not work. So to check if Messenger server is on break or not, just open up any browser. After opening up your browser, so just search for is Messenger not working down detector. After you search for is Messenger not working down detector, the option where it shows you down detector, click on it and then read the first paragraph. User report indicates no current problem, which means there is no problem with Messenger and the problem is with our device. But if it had showed you user reported current problem, that means that there was a problem. And if there was a problem with the server, the only thing we could do is just wait until they fix their server. But since the problem is not with the server, it's with our device. And all the solution which I just told you until now should fix your issue. If it still did not fix your issue, then just delete your Messenger app and reinstall it again. That will reset the setting of your Messenger and your problem should be fixed at that point. And also try to restart your phone, because sometimes a bug as well causes this problem, and restarting your phone should also fix it. So hope you understand on how you guys can fix your Messenger not sending message issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.